like that, Big Bird.
So I thought we'd all start off today by telling a joke. And that means you, too, at home. You'll get your turn. But right now, I'll start. Why did the dodo bird throw the alarm clock out the window?
Okay, Big Bird, why did the dodo bird throw the alarm clock out the window?
Because he wanted to see fly time. Wait a minute. I got it wrong. It's because he wanted to see time fly. Oh, okay, you can laugh now. All right. Now that you're all warmed up, let me try a riddle. Anybody know why birds fly south in the wintertime?
No, tell us, Big Bird.
You want to know?
Why do they do it, Big Bird?
Birds fly south for the winter because it's too far to walk.
All right. I have one.
Uh-oh.
All right, you ready? Hold on. Now, what do you lose every time you stand up? Okay. What do you lose every time you stand up? Every time you stand up, you lose your lap. Isn't that great? That's good.
That's a little
Come on now. Don't give it a little better than that fly time.
Okay, it's my turn. What's the last thing you take off when you go to bed?
Your slippers.
Your bathrobe.
Your pin feathers.
No, the last thing you take off when you go to bed is your feet off the floor.
Oh,
What kind of a dog has no tail?
A dachshund.
Gesundheit.
Oh, Big Bird.
A bulldog.
No.
Okay, I'll bite. Get it? Oh. What kind of a dog has no tail?
A hot dog.
Opponent number one.
Okay, you kids who are listening, it's your turn.
Yeah, it's your turn.
Make a good one
Have
now.
a good one now.
I know you can do it.
Hey, tell them the one where you say, knock, knock, and then they say, who's there? Then you say, dishes, and they'll say, dishes who? And you say, dishes me. Open the door. Try it.
Oh, okay, go ahead, kids. We're ready.
Who's there? Dishes who?
I never heard that one.
Hey, you. You over there with that funny look on your face. Come here. Come over here. Listen, you want to hear something really funny? I hate jokes. Hey, quit laughing. You know why I hate jokes? Because they make people laugh. Just like that bunch of turkeys around here. It drives me bananas when they laugh. Jokes like, the easiest way to catch a fish is to have someone throw one at you. They drive me right up the wall with that stuff. And quit laughing. Hey, wait a minute. That gives me an idea. I had an Uncle Shecky grouch. He was a great grouch comedian. Never got a laugh in 20 years. Uncle Shecky gave me his grouch joke book. I wonder where I put it. Come on down for a minute and help me look for it, huh? Hey, don't bend the rim there. All right now, if this elevator doesn't give me any trouble, we'll be there in a minute. I don't think it's on the stockyard level, but get a whiff of that air, huh? Now, where is that grouch joke book? subway tunnel, we'll have to try one floor down. Well, here we are, Swamp Mezzanine. Doesn't that green slime feel great between your toes? Now let's go over to the grand ballroom. Now, if I were a joke book, where would I hide? Maybe it's under the piano. Give me a hand here, will you? I guess not. Maybe it's under these dirty dishes here. Help me look. Huh? Not there either. Maybe I left it in the tin can collection. No such luck. Now where is that Grouch joke book? Hey, I tell you what, I'll look over here, and you look over there. Hey, what are you doing? Hey, wait, don't open that! You'll let the buffalo loose! Oh no! Let me tell you a little bit about my pets. I just love my pets. I got a dog, and my dog's name is Cat. I bet you never heard a thing as funny as that. Yeah. But not only that, I got a cat, and Cat's name is Dog, just like Dog's name is Cat. With my cat, Dog, and my dog, Cat, oh, I never can tell just where I am at. Now I bet you think that's pretty absurd. But wait till you meet my fish named Bird. My fish bird lives in a big fish pool. Eats fish food, and he thinks he's cool. But listen to me, and just hear this. I got a bird, and I call him Fish. When I'm with my bird and my fish and my cat, well, people all stare as they do when I tip my hat. 'Cause it's strange as can be, especially walking through the park, when Cat starts to bark and Dog yells and Fishy sings. While little old bird swims through water breeze. Oh, I just love my bird.
Hi, Big Bird.
Hello, Gordon.
Listen, I'm going down to Hooper's. Come on with me. I'll buy you a sunflower soda.
Oh, I don't think I'd better, Gordon.
Oh, meeting somebody?
No.
Well, as long as you're just standing here, leaning against the building, why don't you come with me to Hooper's? The building will still be here when you get back.
No, it won't.
Well, what do you think is going to happen?
Well, the building will fall down. That's why I'm holding it up.
Big Bird, that's ridiculous.
No,
is silly, Big Bird. That building is made of brick and stone and cement. It's been standing there all by itself for 50 years. Now, you are not holding the building up. It's holding itself up.
I don't know. It looked a little shaky this morning.
Big Bird, you can't be holding that building up. You're not strong enough. Now, stop being ridiculous.
I'd feel terrible if anything happened to it, Gordon.
Okay, listen to me, Big Bird. Nothing will happen. Just let go of the building and step away from it. Then we'll go to Hooper's for a soda.
I don't know.
The building will not fall over, Big Bird.
Okay. You're right, Gordon. The building is standing up all by itself. It fell over.
I know, Big Bird.
Are you still listening to this record? Well, you can stop now.